Hey
guys,
everyone.
here we are just at the Princess Castle having Princess tea.
Yeah, we're very sophisticated and refined people.
Very much so. Since we are in the spirit of a magical place, we're going to teach you how to draw Lewis structures.
Oh, also a magical thing.
Magical thing.
Okay,
Sure.
yeah.
Okay. So,
I thought,
maybe?
Wait.
There
Oh,
it is.
that's so
All
cool.
right.
Magic's
Okay.
awesome.
Okay, so how do we draw a Lewis structure? Well, the first thing we need to do is when I ask you to draw one, you're going to find your element on the periodic table.
Seems like a helpful first step.
Right, okay? Then from there, since you already know how to determine the number of electrons, valence electrons specifically, you'll look that up, and you'll
Okay.
know how many dots you need to draw.
So a dot is a valence electron.
Absolutely.
How
okay?
easy is that?
It's very easy, okay? So for example, if we worked with hydrogen, hydrogen's in group 1, so it would have how many valence electrons?
I believe it would have one valence electron.
You are right.
Whew.
So we would just do one dot. But we'll practice that in a second. Okay, so let's take a little gander.
Ta-da!
Oh man,
I
it
like
is-
that.
I know, it's
We're gonna
so
do that
cool.
all the time.
Okay, so just to review, groups 1, 2, and then 13 through 18. If we start with group 1, we have how many valence electrons?
Uno,
Right.
1.
Group 2,
Dos.
group 13,
3,
yep, 14,
4,
15,
5,
16,
6,
17,
7,
18.
8.
Beautiful.
Boom.
Okay, and remember that we call each group a column, each column we call a group. Flip it around, whatever
Yeah,
you will.
whatever.
Okay, and then the period is Yeah.
Yes.
Period is equal to orbital. I don't know why I couldn't think of the word I was looking for.
That's okay.
Okay.
Words are hard.
And then the valence electrons are the ones on the outside. Okay, just a little reminder for y'all of this beautiful
Look
week.
at that. I like the star.
Star 8, magic 8, octet rule.
Boom. Yeah.
Okay.
I love it.
All right, so let's take a look at how we do this. Now, first thing you do is you write the symbol.
Carbon is C. Okay.
Carbon is C.
Got
Okay?
that.
Carbon is in the 4th. Well, it's actually in the 14th group. That's a typo. I apologize.
That's okay.
Okay, so we know that it has
4.
valence electrons. So in this case, when I'm drawing the Lewis structure, I clearly write the symbol first, which we've done. And then I am going to start at the top of the element
Top.
and work my way clockwise around and
Okie
place a
dokie.
dot around for how many valence electrons I have.
Okay, so it's like one on each side.
Exactly.
So if we were to think of a box around it, it would go
You
one
would, yep. Okay, so
around the
let's
outside.
see what that looks like. Ready?
around the outside. Ooh!
So here we go with
boy.
my...
Just keeps going. That's,
Right.
Love it.
Okay, so my 4 valence electrons show up, and my Lewis structure for carbon is that.
Oh, that's fun.
It's pretty
Yeah.
easy.
Yeah,
Okay,
looks
which
easy.
we're gonna need these when we start bonding, but we're just talking about how to draw them for today.
Okay.
Okay, so now you're gonna try these elements. Actually, we will try them with you, kind of. Okay.
That's fine.
So we got hydrogen, phosphorus, calcium, argon, and aluminum.
Ooh.
Okay. Now, if we remember correctly, with hydrogen, it had how many valence electrons?
1.
1. So we start by
Ooh.
1 dot,
At the top.
and we are done.
Ooh,
Pretty
wow.
easy.
That's very simple.
Right?
Love it.
Okay, so let's flip to phosphorus. Phosphorus is in group
Ooh.
15?
15? Maybe?
I think.
Want to say?
Yep. So we are going to start at the top and work our way around until we get 5 in.
Ooh, this is going to be tricky. There's more than 4 sides.
There is more than
What?
Yes.
5 is bigger than 4.
4. So here's how it will work. Are you ready?
I'm excited. There's
One
one.
on top.
Love it.
1 to the right, 1 on the bottom, 1 to the left, and then we fill our other one at the top.
So we just keep going around and around and around.
Correct. And you can only double up. Because
Only
remember, we don't want more than 8.
Got it.
So we'll never have a side that has more than 2.
Oh, okay. That seems pretty fun.
So phosphorus, group 15, 5 valence electrons.
Ooh.
Okay.
Fancy.
Calcium.
Love it.
Ta-da. This is
Love
great.
it.
This is a great wand.
Yeah.
I should have magic all the time.
It's going to take you
Okay.
forever to edit them together.
Yeah. Okay, so calcium, however, is in group
2.
2, so it should have 2 valence electrons. Let's see what they look like. 1 and 2.
I saw
Ta-da.
that coming.
Mhm,
Yeah.
yep.
This is easy.
Okay,
It's
this
good.
is super easy. So
got this.
you're just taking the group number and counting out the valence electrons and basically putting dots.
Do.
Count clockwise, starting at the top. I was trying to do it backwards with my wand, and it's not happening.
It's hard, yeah.
Okay. So then we go to argon.
I'm excited. Noble gas.
Argon is in group,
18.
so that means it's going to have
Ooh, 8.
8 valence
see it.
electrons. And let's give it a whirl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7.
7,
It's so cool. I love it.
Okay, so very simple. Again, around in a circle till we fill all the holes. Okay? And let's go with our last example, aluminum.
Ooh.
And aluminum's in group,
13,
so it's going to have
3,
And we are going to go 1, 2, 3.
Love it.
Beautiful.
Love it. Super
And
exciting.
it doesn't get any easier than that, folks. Okay?
Doesn't
You're
it?
going to give your worksheet in your packet a gander by simply
Fun.
putting the valence electrons on all of those bad boys.
Ooh, notice a little pattern, I bet.
You will notice a pattern. And we'll catch you in class. We're off to tea.
All right. Toodles.
See.